The very first thing that pops into our minds when we hear Surah Fatiha is its meaning, the opening. It's the perfect title for this beautiful chapter, because guess where you'll find it? Right at the beginning of the Quran, the holy book of Islam. Think of the Quran as a massive guide for our lives. Surah Fatiha acts as the introduction, laying out the core themes and setting the stage for everything that follows. But it's not just an introduction. It's also considered the foundation of our prayers. Imagine a building. A strong foundation is crucial for its stability. Similarly, Surah Fatiha forms the bedrock of our daily connection with Allah through our prayers. We recite it in every single rak'ah, making it an essential part of our communication with the divine. The beauty of Surah Fatiha lies in its comprehensiveness. This surah manages to weave together the very essence of Islam. Within its verses, we find ourselves praising Allah, acknowledging His lordship over all creation. We express our deepest gratitude for His countless blessings. But Surah Fatiha doesn't stop there. It also highlights our dependence on Allah. We turn to Him for guidance, seeking to walk the straight path in this life. Adding to its beauty is the power of the Arabic language used in the surah. The choice of words is simply breathtaking, each verse carrying a depth of meaning that resonates with the soul. Even for those who don't understand Arabic, the recitation itself holds a certain majesty, a testament to the divine origin of the Quran. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, spoke volumes about the importance of Surah Fatiha. The Prophet said, "The Fatiha of the Quran is a healing for every illness." Sahih al-Bukhari.